Why not?
Because you haven't taken your Yokoberry tonic.
But, Mammy, I'm too old to still take that old baby tonic.
No, you ain't. And I know best. I've been giving you a spoonful of my own Yokoberry tonic since the day you was born. And I intend to give you a spoonful till the day you die. And for several weeks thereafter. Here. Open, and hold.
But, Mammy...
Open and hold. It's spoken. Now, this hat right there.
What, where?
This hat right there. Now, Abra, she's going to be here in a minute. Now you know, she is too shy to come right out and ask you to let her catch you this year on the Sadie Hawkins Day race.
But, Mammy, if she catches me, I got to marry her.
And what could be sweeter than that?
Well, Mama, if the boy don't feel he's ready.
Abby, why don't you mosey down into town?
What?
Go on. See what's doing in the lower end district.
What I prefer to say.
I just prefer it around here. And when I prefer, you concur.
Look now, Sandy.
Yes. I hate it spoken. Now, you be sweet to that gal.
But, Mammy, the boys are waiting me down at the fishing hole.
Yes. Morning, Sammy. Abner. Morning, Child.
Hi, Daisy.
I bring you some worms. Worms? A person think it was Valentine's Day.
Thanks, Daisy.
I hope you like them. They is fresh, firm, and rigorous. Just like your adorable self. Mammy.
Thanks, Daisy. I better use these rooms now. The boys are waiting me down at the fishing hole.
Boys, can wait. Ain't you and Daisy got some talking to do?
Is this about Sadie Hawkins Day?
Naturally.
Well, that's a subject I just can't discuss. Except for one thing. You keep waiting around, your life will throw it all back away. And I just couldn't stand that. So this year, you just better find yourself somebody else.
Sometimes I think I just hate the matter. Now you don't, child. And this year you're going to catch him come Sadie Hawkins Day. Even if you have to do business with the detective. Whatever available Jones. Man!
That's pretty good for the average man. But tell me, Sam, since I'm prepared to extend myself financially, what have you in a $2 wedding?
My $2 wedding? My boy, it is spectacular. First a 6th of the week. Then a raffles up for the biggest guests, male and female. Good morning, ladies.
Morning, Mary Sam.
Go on, my good man.
Then I tell 4 off-color jokes, guaranteed to embarrass man feet. Then as the applause dies down, I dance to the jig with the pig. Then I tie arms and legs to 4 infuriated mules. And as they run off in all directions trying to tear me apart, I recite 5 of the more dynamic speeches of outlandish factors.
That sounds all right for the lower classes, but the lady I had in mind is entitled to something a little more hoi-polloi. Morning, ladies. My Daisy May, you're looking especial pretty today.
Thank you, Mr. Medusa. And just what does a rat vomit like you want with information about a $2 wedding?
Could be I'm fixing to get married. I just returned home with my newly acquired title, namely World's Dirtiest Wrestler. And being so well heeled, naturally I aim to wed me a certain dog-paying gal.
Mister, are you implying you got money?
Lady, I am filthy with it.
Mister, you is filthy without it!
You crazy something?
You know a man can't claim a gal unless she catches him herself on Sadie Hawkins Day.
If you want the answers, I suggest you perambulate down to the fog bound meeting that's about to be held at Cornpone Square.
Cornpone Square? This is going to be a cornpone meeting?
By direct request of my good friend, Senator J.S.
This
Fogbound.
could be serious.
We only have compo weeks, so venture the national sport.
Or a hideous change in dog patch way of life.
There's going to be a hideous change, all right. Ha, 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 ha. Come on, Sam. Now tell me about your $4 wedding.
Well, I don't crazy business, but I can't discriminate. First, I clip your toenails and give you a shave and a sponge bath if you need to. Frankly, I say you need to. Then I make some shots and posters to the bride's mother, followed by a little video.
Look back, Daisy. You have here to Polecat Creek and tell Abby get over to that meeting. Right. What if they druther not? You tell them I'd druther they druther. And when Pansy Yoakum says she druther they druther. Druther they druther.
Reach on over here and stick that fly on my nose. I ain't in no fly flicking mood. Why not? 'Cause if I was fly flicking, I'd pick the fly off my own nose. Sounds like something's bothering you.
Betcha I know. Sadie Hawkins Day's coming up.
I don't fix asking anybody, 'cause it ain't worth the price.
What prize?
Giving up your druthers,
What druthers?
all of them. You'd rather do this, you'd rather do that, you'd rather go hunting, you'd rather stay home. I'll tell you, boy, the day you kiss your bride hello, you kiss your druthers goodbye.
I didn't know your druthers were so important to you.
Important? If I had my druthers, I'd rather have my druthers than anything else I know. While you druther hustle, accumulating muscle, I'd rather what days you grow. While there is growing, the summer breeze is blowing, the heart is overflowing and slow. If I had my druthers, I'd rather have my druthers than anything else I know. Than anything else I know. If I had my druthers, I'd rather have my druthers than do any work at all. It ain't that I hate them, I often contemplate them while watching the raindrops fall. I sit there for hours, developing my powers, of figuring how flowers get tall. If I had my druthers, I'd rather have my druthers than do any work at all.
If you was anyone in the whole world, who'd your druther be?
Me,
Just you?
just me.
What's so special about being you?
Nothing so special, just so handy, that's all. If I had my druthers to choose from all the others, I'd rather be like I am. This thing called employment detracts from my enjoyment, entices my diaphragm. While I'm ordinary, a thing that's necessary, I'm happy as a cherry jam. If I had my druthers to choose from all the others, I'd rather be like I am, yes ma'am. I'd rather be like I You know Polecat Creeper's off limits to love-starved females, and considering you're both love-starved and female, I suggest you get on your way.
Abner Yoakum, if you don't get down to that meeting, Mam's gonna give you what for.
What for? She giving me what for? What for?
Because it's a big, important meeting.
I told you, Daisy, I ain't going to no meeting.
But I thought I might go along with you to the meeting.
But I'd rather stay here.
But I thought we might do some talking about some
things that my teacher's talking about.
Well, maybe we ought to do something. I ain't going to no meeting. Now, there.
But Abner, they Hawkins Day is next Friday, and if we've ever been talking about how that I'm a...
I ain't a-going to no meeting.
Abner?
I ain't going. I have spoken.
All right. I'll just tell Mammy you ain't coming to the cornhole meeting.
Cornhole meeting?
Of course.
You didn't tell me it was a cornhole meeting.
You didn't let me.
Hey, fellas, it's a cornhole meeting. This must be a national emergency or something. We better get down there fast, because this might cost some brains. Daisy, fetch my worm. Come on.
If I had my brother, I'd rather have a brother to fasten his pumpkin head. It ain't that I hate him, I love I'd rather hate him, and wishes that we were wed. I turn on the color and hope that he'll get bolder, but I can get father instead. If I had my brother, choose from all the others, I'd rather that Mr. Rock.
All right, everybody. Mayor, let's get going.
Hello, citizens. As mayor of this here upstanding community of Dog Patch, I, my honor, Dan L.B. Dogmeat, declares open this Jubilation Tea Cornhole meeting.
Who wants to wait to see Cornhole?
Sure.
This meeting was requested by our esteemed senator, the Honorable Jacqueline S. Fosback.
Now, hold on a minute, Ruth. Don't walk that child. Come here, Charles. It's high time you knew that this town was founded by that beloved man that's sitting up there on that there horse. Jubilation Tea Cornhole. The greatest fighting general and military strategist the Confederacy ever knew.
Was he brave?
Great. Why, J.T. Cornhole didn't know the meaning of the word fear. Terror, yes, but fear, never. Why, there's monuments all over the countryside commemorating the names of the slain battles.
Such as?
Cornpole's disaster. Cornpole's misjudgment. Cornpole's catastrophe. And Cornpole's humiliation. When we fought the Yankees and annihilation was near, was there to lead the shot that took us days to rear? Why, it was Jubilation Cornpole. All to the Cornpole. Jubilation Cornpole, no man who no fear. When we almost had him, but the issue still was in doubt. Suggested the retreat that turned it into a rout. Why, it was erect, those towns, Cornpole. Jubilation Cornpole.
All right. Now let's get on with the meeting. The first thing on our agenda is Mayor Dorothy. How come we haven't a phone for me? And my boy, the Emperor Cadet is coming up the road right now. Citizens of Dorset, meet our distinguished Senator J.S. Bogdan.
Mayor Dogmeat and my beloved constituents of Dorset, I could stand here and bask in the sunshine of your goodness forever.
Back on your own time, Bogdan.
Yeah, give me your point. Give me your point. I bet you've been wondering what I've been doing up in Washington these past 18 years.
We didn't care just as long as you there and we was here.
Quiet down. Senator, tell me what you done for us down there in Washington.
I done got the United States government to pass a JS Baba bill.
There's no jackass like our jackass.
Through my efforts, little dog patch of secure, unknown, poverty-stricken dog patch. It's gonna be real famous.
And just what for do we want to be famous for? What for?
You is gonna save the lifeblood of a singing, burning young industry. That's what for.
What industry is that, Senator?
My boy, glorious industry devoted solely to the stimulation and relaxation so necessary to American businessmen. An industry known as Las Vegas.
Las Vegas? Ain't that where they does all that gambling?
Yes, sir, Mammy Yoakum is right there. That's the problem. You see in the desert nearby, the government's shooting off certain nuclear weapons of war.
Hey, Tumba.